In your business, lazima learn to keep records. Your records zitakusaidia kujua at what, at where, at which, at whatever circumstances, how it was. So, your records will make you compare what you have been doing and what you are planning to do for you to know areas to stress more. So, kama wewe huweke records, wewe unakuwa na ile kitabu ka 32 pages kenye kanakaga kama kale mtu mwenye anapewa kwa hospitali ile wakati ya kitambo. Wewe you are far from improving in your business, because if you want to improve, there must be comparison. So kindly, if you want to your business to improve, wacha kushinda ukituambia umeweka maauditor, umeweka accountant. Wewe mwenyewe lazima ukuwe na basic know-how ya ni sekta gani yenye inaendelea. Tuseme maybe ni sekta ya mauzo, maybe ni sekta ya purchases. Sababu kazi lazima uweke into departments. Ukiweka kazi into departments, that is how you are supposed to know this month this department performed this way, this month this department performed this way. That is how you'll be in a position to improve kwa department yoyote. Lakini kama wewe you are just there ukifikiria ati biashara mwezi huu ilikuwa mbaya, lakini you cannot point out in your business which areas that did not perform, my friend, in the very near soon your business might collapse. So learn to keep records.